Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Dave, and if you're one of my subscribers, thank you for your time, your patience, and your subscriptions. A small channel like mine will not survive without your support. I'd like to talk to you today about action cameras and micro SD cards. The camera I'm filming on is an action camera. It's a Dragon Touch, and it was sitting in this housing and went to South Korea with me. The problem was that camera was bought in North America. I sent SD cards from here. I'm in Asia. The micro SD card that I have in my hand will more than likely not work with that camera. Why not? It's a formatting issue. We were going nuts trying to figure out why that camera would not work. I reached out on a music channel from 15th Bend, and I said, can anybody help me? There's about 200 or 300 people on his live streams. And 15th Band came back and said it sounds like a format issue. And he was right. The minute we put in an SD card purchased in North America, well, you're watching the video. So the point of today's video is, you got one of these, make sure you buy lots of these from the same area that you bought the camera. Otherwise, you're going to find yourself with a problem, potentially. I'm not going to say it's not going to work every time, but I went through this. We were a couple of months trying to figure out why the camera wouldn't work, because I wanted my son to take it out and go play with it. And then once he figures out how it works, he can turn around and teach me how to use it. And we couldn't do that until we got the micro SD card from North America. So if you're buying these, make sure you get lots of these. Today is the 10th of December, 2023. It's a little bit early, but Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to everybody. And may everybody have a better 2024 than you had in 2023. And remember, drink your coffee while it's hot. Because there's just no use for cold coffee. See you next year, guys. Bye-bye.